Musta guys, I'm going to do a quick video here on burns. I mean, it happens all the time, whether it's a fire, whether it's on the stove, or whatever else it is. And obviously one of the things that you do right away is get that cooled down, get those cells and all that molecular structure in the skin and everything else slowed down. And then, right after, as far as we're concerned, what we've done very effectively, we use the DMSO 99.9% pure, pharmaceutical grade. If you got to get less, that's fine, especially when it's topical. And put that directly on there. Here's a roll-on, here's a gel, which is great to have handy, and here's a liquid. I've used these things for many years. There's a great book called DMSO, Nature's Healer. Get that book, consider using it for stroke, for just all kinds of things. This is the stuff they put in, they put actual organ transplant, the organs themselves, that they help transport them to the recipient. They use this because it's such a mega antioxidant and a cellular preservative. So it's very important to consider using this right after a burn. I've been burned many times in what I do, and using this and putting that right on there stops that. It repairs the nerve damage or in the cellular structures, and you're off and running. It's dirt cheap, super easy to use, incredibly safe, and stuff that can work on so many of your ills. So consider getting it and send them in your Balikbayan packages along with your iodine, among other things. It's a great thing to send along. Okay, that's it. See ya.